Hi, it's Porsche Centre Dublin, in stock and ready for delivery January 21. This brand new Porsche Taycan Turbo. This Taycan Turbo is finished in Dolomite Silver with 20-inch design wheels, full extended body kit including side skirts, front and rear bumpers, fully extended black package including privacy glass. Moving inside the vehicle, we see the half leather interior with suede steering wheel, the all new customizable TFT dashboard, navigation module, climate control, 18-way adaptive sports seats including memory function, Bose surround sound and full panoramic roof. As I was saying, the body kit consists of the flared side skirts and again the rear diffuser, finished in high gloss black, is totally different to the standard car. Park assist front and rear with reversing camera on this one. Should you wish to take a closer look at this vehicle, please contact Porsche Centre Dublin on 01 235 3375. Thank you.